What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Daddy bringing you some crypto news from a crypto maniac's point of view. Today is September 30th, 2024. Bitcoin is trading sideways. Crypto market and dipped about $10 billion down. But who gives a fuck? Listen, Jerome Powell had a very, very special meeting today. He did an interview and he said interest rates won't be cut as drastic as they was this month. He said that, but they will be cut. So understand, there will be cuts. So let me give you guys some real basic stuff, right? Well, basic to me, not basic to you guys. So to break it down simply is that Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chair, made it clear that big aggressive interest rate cuts like the last half-point reduction aren't going to happen again. Soon, instead, the Fed plans to reduce rates slowly, likely by smaller steps like quarter points. So it'll be like 0.25 BPS, right? That's what the basis cuts means. So why is this important? The Fed's main goal is to control inflation without hurting the economy, especially the job market. Right now, inflation has cooled down, but it's still higher than the Fed wants, especially when you look at long-term trends like housing costs. That's why Powell's being cautious how quickly he lower rates. So you don't want to lower rates faster because that looks like a crisis. But why is that a good thing for crypto? Good news is inflation control. Slower rate cut helps manage inflation. If inflation stays under control, it's better for the economy overall, which is good for all markets, including crypto. Stable inflation makes Bitcoin and other cryptos more attractive as long-term investments. No panic. By avoiding big cuts, the Fed is signaling that the economy is not in crisis, which can keep investors from panicking. Panic usually causes volatility in both traditional and crypto markets. So this is what they're not trying to do. When they did the 50 basis cuts, people was like, oh shit, what's going on? It pumped the market, but at the same time too, people kind of like, wait, is it crazy? What's going on in the background, right? Why this could be bad though? Less liquidity, meaning when rates don't get cut as fast, you have less liquidity. So, yeah, less liquidity, right? Market uncertainty. Some investors were hoping for more aggressive cuts to pump the markets faster. Since those cuts aren't coming, stocks and sometimes cryptos can react negatively in the short term. Short-term price volatility. Everything is short-term. When you think with a short-term mindset, you lose out on a lot of gains. A lot of gains. Right now, we're not tripping on a short-term. We are long-term investors. Takes a while to get what you want. It takes time, and right now we're focusing on that time. I've been making these videos for about a year, telling you guys keep buying. We are getting closer and closer to the almighty bull run of all bull runs, and we just got to keep holding and keep telling ourselves that we're there. So right now I would recommend to keep buying. There's more time to buy. There's more time to buy projects. If 25 basis cuts happens in November and December, that'll basically be 1 point off the interest rate. So it'll be about 4%. And then we get a couple of more. We're still looking good for a major Bitcoin bull run next year. And that was the whole plan in the first place. It was 2025 anyway. 2025, we're going to be looking crazy. Fucking portfolio is going to be looking nuts. You know what I mean? And this is something we have to do. I'm focused. I'm telling you guys, focus in on long term, not short term, but long term, because in the long run is when you have all the fun. Trust me, you guys, we're still working. We're still doing what we got to do. And tomorrow markets may go up, but right now it's just kind of like, okay, well, 25 basis points, people are going to price that in, then they're going to continue to buy. I'm expecting shit to go crazy for November because China is pumping mad. That's the thing. That's the best thing about crypto. Chinese is stimulating their market so we can get some of that China pump. Europe has lowered their rates. So right now we're just on the collision course for a major bull run. And I believe that if you're in this market, you're going to make a lot of money. Crypto Daddy out. Peace.